Alright, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, huge shout out to Kaliraya Springs Golf Club for making this video happen. So they invited me to show you guys the golf course of Kaliraya. So very nice golf course. So this is the first time that I'm playing this golf course. So they have two courses no 18 holes, Marsh and also Palmer. So yeah, I'm with friends si Alvin and also si Aldwin. So this first hole is a par 4. Okay, hole number 1, 400 yards. Yan, so we're playing putting Olympics, 10 pesos per point and stroke play. So si Aldwin, anong handicap mo ngayon? 18. So starting 18 under. Si Alvin, 14. So this is 375 yards. Ganda, okay lang. Over. And 375 yards. Water in front with the wind. So the play is yan, aim for middle of the green, fairway. Tapos right. Isang aming mga caddy, ang aking caddy si Gladys. Sino? Kanino ka? Alvin. Kay?
Clarice.
Ang hinhin naman, Clarice. Kay Alvin naman siya. Okay. Okay, good luck brothers. Ganda.
Good shot. Oh, go.
Walang kwentang kaibigan. Okay, fairway. Alright, so this is their scorecard. So, Kaliraya Springs sa Blue Tees, it is from the Blue Tees, it's total of 6,300 and 6,300 yards, malayo din. Par 36 72. Okay, personal goal, try to break 80. Okay, second shot, Aldwin, left side of the fairway. So may water, need to cross it slightly right to left yung winds. So dito nag ICTSI nung may Alvin left with almost 200 yards, 180. Yan, pabukas na lang. Pating ball natin. Ayun, right before sa right side. Second shot, left with 145 yards. Downwind. Go up and down for birdie. Kanan ng aim, ano? Sa poste, kanan ng poste.
Apo. Go, nice in.
Go!
Go pa! Ay.
Okay, short. Okay, no one made it on the green. Everyone playing to go up and down for par. So Aldwin nasa right. Alvin right also. Ako short. 17 yards. Right to left. Bye. Okay, close lang. That is for his par. Okay, Alvin to go up and down for par. Galing naman, Vin. Good try, brother. Good try, brother. Okay, malakas ng konti. Okay, everyone putting for par. Aldwin putting for 3 points. Ako 2. Alvin 1. Okay, that is for his bogey.
Bagal.
That's good, brother. Good bogey. Okay, for bogey.
Walang ganito. Ah, wala ka.
Good putt, brother. All right, so double first hole I made double bogey. Tapos both Aldwin and Alvin made bogey. Tapos no points for Olympics yet. Okay. So this is hole number 2, 378 yards. Mukhang it's dog leg left. May bangin na naman yata ulit. Okay, looks like it's a challenging golf course. Pero at least ang advantage downwind. So dog leg left. So those two bunkers is 245 yards. The white stick is 160. So I think pwedeng hybrid. Draw, naku. Yun, safe. Sa may red. Red tee. Draw. Ay, nakapag-open.
Madali.
Little right.
Good.
Yun ang
Good shot. Ay, lumiko. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Okay lang yan.
Opo. Safe yun. Malayo pa mararating nun.
Okay, Alvin, second shot. The green is in this area. Ilang yards pa kayo, ate? Malayo pa. 300 pa yata. 234. Oo, 234. So, Alvin might be laying up. Stop! Tama na. Parang before. Okay, Alvin punching out. Okay, a little left of the fairway.
Nagulong pa siya.
Alright, second shot with the wind left with 97 yards. Hitting a full 60.
Mali. Dapat kaliwa. Huwag ka na gumulong. Huwag na! Huwag na!
Thank you, pare.
Ay, akala ko ball below my feet. Ay, akala ko mag-left. Ball above my feet. For birdie. Okay, Alvin, buti safe. Aldwin. They are inside 100 yards to go up and down for a par. Oh, short to Alvin. Okay, Aldwin to go up and down for bogey. Ay, ano na yan? Short. Okay, Aldwin to go up and down for double bogey, potentially for 4 points. Bite. Okay, Alvin to go up and down for bogey. Good try. Okay, 13 paces. So, ako, this is for birdie, 3 plus 1. I'll do it for double, no?
For ano na to? Ano na ba ako? Double ba?
Double.
Pa-double.
For double. Si Alvin yung for bogey.
May nakulang.
Ang hina ng mga pat ko.
Okay, Aldwin for double and for 2 points. Uy, lumihis. That's good. 1 point. Ay, double.
Oh, nice par.
Alright, hole number 3. So I made par. 7 si Aldwin. Double si Alvin. So this is malaking pot money daw dito. And also my golf cart to. Playing 172. Ay, open lang.
Oh, yun ah.
Midge.
Naku, kanan niya.
Gugulong yan. Gugulong pa siya. Gugulong pa? Bumaba? Oo, nag-over ba? O, di ba? Ang galing na.
Ay, medyo open yung club face. Ganda. Ganda, brother. Good investment. Kick left. Sobra. Over lang ng konti. Do you even work out, bro? Aldwin. From the trees. Ayun. Papunta sa akin. Good out! Baba. Okay, that is for his par. Okay. 17 yards right to left to go up and down for par.
Ay. Gulong mo na lang. Kunin mo sa gulong.
Okay, I'm having the chipping yips. Okay, Alvin to go up and down for par. Tama na. Settle. Okay, 1 point si Alvin. Okay, that is for his par. Okay, Alvin for par and 2 points. Ayan. That's good, brother. Good bogey. Mahina din. That's good, brother. Okay, to save bogey. Ano ba i-touch?
Ay.
Nako. Alright, no points pa rin. Tapos, bogey si Alvin at saka si Aldwin. I made double. So, 4 over na ako. There's really something wrong with my short game. I need to practice my short game. Especially my chipping. I have the yips. Come on. Forget. Oh, number 4, first par 5 of the round. Dog leg right yata. 439. Dog leg right. So the play is yung aim. Doon sa mga bunker yung aim. Okay, so the play is yan, the bunker yan sa gitna is 230. So if you can fade the golf ball perfect. Ganda, Vin.
Easy lang ah.
Good investment.
Good investment.
Ganda, brother.
Thank you.
2.
Naku, kabig. Uy, kabig. Okay lang. Kaya ko.
Ay, pulled my t-shirt. Right hand.
Naku naman.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. In play. Malayo pa oh. Oo nga,
Longest putt.
longest spot.
Okay, terrible drive. Left with 260 yards to the flag. Subo course management tried to go over the trees. Tapos Aldo nasa middle. Gladys. Wala nang trouble dyan, yung bunker lang na to.
Apo.
Tsaka ikaw ubi sa kaliwa.
Apo. Diretso nyo na. Bago mag-pin, may bunker.
Pero malayo.
Apo.
Sampal! Alvin, second shot. Mga 210 yards to the flag. Okay. Third shot. Left with 220 yards. Hitting an iron lang hopefully para fairway.
Oh, go.
Okay. To go up and down for par. Left with 150 yards against the wind. Hitting an 8 iron. Thank you.
Huwag ka dyan. Huwag. Bunker.
20 yards, bunker, right to left. Come on.
Oh, nice out. Diba?
Lahat ng yun para sa bogey. Okay na yun. Might be in for bogey. Okay, might be 1 point.
Wala.
Okay, Aldwin. I think to go up and down for par. Go! Abot.
Sigaw.
For par to, Win? For par? Pating par? Ah! Ito yung man-made lake ni Caliraya. Ganda. Okay, Alvin. For birdie Ben, Vin? Okay, birdie and from the outside, so 5 points. Inside me! Ah, okay. 2 points yan, Vin. Oh, ako mo na yung atin, Gladys. Okay, so si Alvin, putting for 3 points. Si Alvin is for 2. Lakas. Uy, penalty! Si Alvin! Atras pa konti. Yan. Good putt. Uy! That's good, brother. Right. After all that, at least na bogey. So, currently, I'm 3 under na lang. Tapos si Alvin, so I made bogey, kami dalawa ni Alvin made bogey. Si Alvin made double. Tapos ako pa lang may 1 point.
Kasi no?
Hole number 5. 353, par 4. Yan, so diretso lang siya. Slightly uphill. So I guess the aim is, yan, middle of the fairway. Kick right.
Yan, kakanan yan.
Oo.
Diba? Lakas.
Good investment.
Good shot.
Boom!
Go.
Panis. Boom, panis.
Yeah.
Sa green na.
Ah, ang galing. Oh. Over the red stick.
Yun.
Here we go.
Laging
Magaling talaga ako sa pangalawa eh. Ayaw sa...
okay. Alvin, second shot. Mga 270, 265. Ano baril mo, brother? Ay, sorry, 165 pala. Sorry, 160. Yung drive mo, 265. To the pin, ilang ka pa?
Feel ko baka mga 160.
260. Hindi, stance mo rin talaga eh. Yung lie.
Ang hirap nung live pre.
Around 160 yards. Ayun o, ito mo kumakanan.
Okay. Stop.
Right before.
Ayos.
Okay, second shot. Bawi naman. 99 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60. Ate. Ganda yata yan.
Taas. Ay. Malapit na. Ay. Taas oh.
Hindi. Hindi mo lang nakita na sa likod lang ng flag.
Wala ko siya.
Shoot sa bunker. Hindi. Wala na, hindi shoot. Patong lang. Okay, left of the green. Okay, Alvin, inside 100 yards. For his third shot. Up and down for par.
Uy! Shank? Shank na, shank.
Okay, Alvin. To go up and down for par. Bite. Ganda. Good drive eh, Aldwin. Okay, Alvin. To go up and down for bogey. Tama. This is potentially for 4 points if he holds out. Lakas.
Par.
Bite, 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 bite.
Ay.
Good try, Win. Mukha lang tunog malakas lang. Okay, so for Olympics, I'm putting potentially for 3+1 for birdie. Right to left, ano?
Apo.
Tapos si Alvin 2, Aldwin 1.
Isang bola lang, sir.
Isang bola sa right to left.
Go, go, go. Go! Pwede mo na baga.
Okay, Alvin for bogey and 2 points. Pasok! Ay, lumaylay sa dulo. That's good, brother. Aldwin, pating ano ka na?
Ating par to.
Par. And 1 point.
And 1. And 2. Tama. And
1.
1.
Shit, ang dilim. Layo. Ate.
Nice par.
Good bogey. Alright, so napakataas ng scoring namin sa Olympics. 1-0-0. Tapos, stroke play I made par. Alvin made double. Aldwin made bogey. Alright, hole number 6. That was a good par. This is their signature hole. Tapos, ano to, dogleg right? Sa drive pa lang? Ah, yung second shot. Okay. Saan ang aim natin? Over the bunker na to? Or dapat
Tubig lang ang target.
tubig ang target? Okay.
Yun.
Tama ba yan?
Ay! Oh, safe pa yun, sir. Pag hindi safe pa, hanapin na lang natin. Yun lang naman yun, dalawa lang naman yun eh.
Magsasorry na lang.
Ay, mali pa.
Okay. That was a good drive, I think. Landed dyan sa may tree na yan sa gitna. Okay, it's 557 yards pala. Tatawirin yung second shot. Kung kaya. Basta tawid tubig. Okay lang.
Pumunta.
Before the bunker sa left.
Okay.
Ganda naman ng draw. Before the bunker yata. Okay, Aldwin second shot. No idea distance. Ganda.
Ganda pa, gugulang pa yun sa kababa. Gugulang yung kade mo dyan.
Gugulong yung kadi.
Takbo.
Tirang ano lang yun eh.
Okay, so this is why it's their signature hole. Ganda. Tatawirin mo yung water na yan. Ganda. Pero for my second shot, 255 yards against the wind. Layup lang to. Okay, Alvin. 300 yards pa. 280. Pero play safe lang kami.
So, yung ganyan na siya. Tapos gugulo na siya.
Hindi bumaba. Ay, ako naman. Ganun din. Play safe lang. Aim for that white stick. Ito. Sakto dun sa puti talaga.
Safe
Hindi
na
gumulong
safe.
pababa.
Safe na safe.
Sakto dun sa white doon nag-carry. Okay, Aldwin. Third shot. Going for it. Going for it. Go. Maabot. Okay, ako naman. I'm left with 145 yards to the flag. Better long than short, so hitting a 9-iron. Kaliwa yan, ano?
Opo, sa green lang. Go. Abot. Abot niya. Pangkar pa.
Okay, this is the man-made lake of Caliraya. Their signature hole. Ganda naman din talaga. Okay, Alvin and Aldwin needed to take a drop. So they're inside 100 yards. Ako, I'm in the bunker. Good shot! Okay, Alvin. Same. Around 80. Okay, patong. Good shot, Vin! Wow! Ang gagaling ah! Okay. Landed in the bunker. Pero bunker nila parang lupa. Digas. Okay. Right to left 14 yards. Dito na lang, Gladys, please.
Lakas.
Oh man. Parang lupa. Okay, so for Olympics, I'm putting for 3+1 sa Andy par. Aldwin is putting for 2 points. Alvin 1 point.
Go. Go.
Venga!
Bugi. Par. 1, 2, 3, par.
Ready?
Par.
Okay, Aldwin for 2 points. Mahina. Bogey.
Bogey.
5 on. So naka bogey. So Alvin putting bogey and 1 point. Ba't pinat mo pa? Give na kasi.
Gusto ko marinig eh.
5-1. 5-1 bogey par. Okay, so may movement na. I'm now at 5 points sa aming Ollie. Si Alvin is at 1. Si Aldwin none yet. Tapos both of them made bogey. I made par. Okay, hole number 7. Another beautiful hole. And so beside it is the man-made lake. Tapos ito, par 3. So it's against the wind. Tapos playing 150 yards. Nice. Ganda ng hole. Okay pa left to right yung ano. Gan! Go! Reach!
Naku, bitin.
Ay, sayang. Swimming.
Isa. Yun.
Yun ang abot.
Short nga yata.
Naharang sa taas, ano? Oo, short ka nga. Lakas pa rin ang hangin.
Pag hindi ko na a little towy din siya. Ito dito.
Oo.
Hindi siya sweet spot.
Ako.
Sayang towy ng konti. So short. Pero na-open.
Fucker ka, Alvin.
Oy, safe. Oh, buwis buhay nga lang.
Sige.
Aldwin had to take a drop. Mga 25 to 30 yards to go up and down for bogey. Bite. Muntik na mag 3 points. Okay, so 18 yards left to right to go up and down for par. Come on, chipping yips. Lubayan mo ako.
Go. Hina.
Ang laki pala nun sa kaliwa.
Napaka.
Alvin putting for 3 points and par. Aldwin for 2 and bogey. Ako 1 point and par. Joke lang!
Oh!
Good par. Good bogey, brother. Mahina.
Hina lang.
Kinapos. Okay, for par. For par and 1 point to go 6 total. Eh, bumali.
Right.
Lumihis dito, may tinamaan sa gitna. No? May hindi naman. Tama yung linya, tapos biglang lumihis. Okay, kaming dalawa ni Alvin made bogey. Aldwin made double. Tapos no movement sa Olympics.
54 nga kami.
Okay, hole number 8. Par 4. Ano to? Dogleg right? O diretso lang? Ha? Basta nandyan lang daw. Okay. Nasa kaliraya lang daw yung butas. De, pero saan? Sa kanan? Bandang kanan? Okay, bandang kanan. Tubig sa kaliwa. Saan ang aim natin?
Sa may
White stick ulit. Ayun.
Wala ka na rin, sir. Wala ka na, basta.
Ayun. Cut pa. Parang safe naman yata. Oo, safe.
Safe yan, pero may ahas dyan.
Lahat pero ano eh.
Safe yung buhay mo pero yung safe yung bola mo pero yung buhay hindi. Oo. Sir, yung bola mo safe pero ikamamatay mo yung pag pinalo mo. Ganda.
Nice one.
Naku, may ahas din.
Nako. Nakapunta ka rin doon. Ayun, oh. Ayun. Ay! Ayan na.
Ayan na, ang ahas.
Malbog sa kanan, pre. Nice one. Okay.
Takot sa ahas.
Takot ako sa ahas.
Sino bang hindi?
Kami.
Sa ahasan din.
Bakit do?
Okay, Aldwin. Left with 162 yards for a second shot. Masyadong natakot sa tubig.
Pumunta na ako sa bunker. Ayun, no? Shoot na shoot.
Parang bunker nga ata.
Bunker.
Alright. Second shot. Left with 155 yards to the flag. Wind is right to left. So aim a little right, siguro aim for that corner of that bunker.
Ang heavy, ang kapal ng rock.
Ikaw pa.
Ang kapal ng rock.
Super short. Go up and down for par yan. Okay, Alvin. 150 yards for his second shot. Ganda, Vin. Gulong mo. Reach. Olympian. From Manila. 25 yards. Double break. I think diretso. Hindi, parang lamang kaliwa. Gladys. Hey, gulong pala. Tama nga, left to right. Okay. Off the face, nag-right na kaagad. That's for par. Okay, Alvin for birdie. Potentially for 5 points. Malakas. Okay, Aldwin potentially for 5 points as well. Outside and sandy par. Down. Abot. Ganda. Down. Baba. Okay, for 1 point yan. Okay, Alvin for par and for 3 points. Ako par and 2. Aldwin for bogey and 1.
Grabe yung bali nun, no?
Side hill eh.
Dito na ako naka-aim, oh.
Oh, nice par.
Ayos man, ang laki yan dyan.
Laki, pero mas malaki yung kembot.
Mas malaki ng side hill eh. And 1 point. 1 point. Okay. So ano na tayo? 7.
Pinakita ko ginawa mo.
7-1-1.
Sinadya mo ba yun? Dahil
Okay. So that was a good up and down for par. Tapos that was for 2 points. So currently Olympics 2 points. Tapos tied si Aldwin and Alvin for 1. Tapos they both made bogey. I made par. Okay, hole number 9, par 4. Last holes of front 9. Looks like it's dogleg right. Tapos dogleg right. So I assume aim for that white stick ulit. Behind pa yan. Good shot, brother.
okay, thank you.
So hole number 9 is 404 yards.
Nice one.
Good investment talaga, Mr. Ibasco. Shout out Golf Depot.
Shout out Golf Depot.
Yun.
Tawid yun.
Oh, tawid, buka shortcut, nakita ko nag-bounce. No? Alvin and Aldwin. So Aldwin inside 150 yards. Punch. Bunker. Alvin. Mga 130. Okay, yun si Alvin. Muntik na. Sila nagsasalita. Sayang, ganda ng drive. May tubig pala. Kaya pala. So mukhang umabot kami sa water. So this is to go up and down for par. 30 yards left to right. The Gladys. Laki naman sa kaliwa. Tama na. Gulo. To go up and down for par. Bite! Okay, Aldwin. To go up and down for bogey. This is his fourth shot. Bite! Bite! Tama na. Tama na. Okay. So Olympics, Alvin is spotting for 3+1 for Sandy par. Tapos si Aldwin is spotting for bogey and 2 points. Ako par and 1. Ganda, Vin. Oh, hindi bumali. Pakimark, pakimark. Aldwin for bogey. Hindi rin bumali, oh. That's good, brother. Okay, for par. So, pwede na talaga right inside. Lakas, Luigi. Napitik.
Ay?
Napitik ko. Sayang. Okay, so no movement sa Olympics. It's 7-1, 7-1-1. Tapos Olympic stroke play. Alvin and I made bogey. Alvin double ka, no?
Tama.
Si Alvin ang bogey din. So hole number 10. Par 4. Okay, so hole 10. 377 play. So the play is to go over that bunker. Yeah, perfect, brother. Tawid mo. Carry the bunker. Over. Nice shot, brother.
Thank you.
Nice shot. Okay, Alvin. Second shot left at 125 yards to the flag. Open lang. Okay, second shot left with 118 yards pero deep rough. Better long than short, hitting 50 degrees. Ay, hinangin!
O, di ba?
Hinangin pa kaliwa. No? Medyo kapit din pero tinangay din. Ay, ay, ay. Putting pero left of the green.
Ay!
Okay lang, stop. Tapos na kayo? Okay, so Aldwin. Shout out kay coach. Maganda, maganda. Sumalang ng mga tsokoy. Ganda, lalo na yung 6'7". Ang ganda ng 6'7". Oh, ganda. Pasok! Pasok! Good putt, brother. Sayang. 2 points sana yun ah. Okay, I have this birdie putt. Left to right, 18 paces. Medyo... Mahina nga.
Sanay nga kayo sa Navy Gold.
Sabi ko kasi sa dahon yung aim eh. Sa dahon naman ako pumunta.
Ewan ko ba rin bola?
Sobrang bagal. Ay, naku, natuktok. That's good, brother. Kulang ang isang bola. B. Okay, so hole number 10, Aldwin and I made bogey, Alvin made double. Tapos no movement sa Olympics, 7-1-1. So hole 11, 126. Now it's playing 135 kasi nasa likod. Then, with the wind.
Go pa rin. Maganda pa yun. Oy!
Stay.
Medyo malakas yung hangin, brothers. Okay, greeny for Olympics. On the green. Go!
Takbo pa yan. Yun, pasok. O, diba?
Akala ko Olympian din eh.
Ayan o, lapit na. Ang ganda.
Ay, nag-bleed right. Wind, left. Kick left.
Ayan, layo.
Patong naman yata. Aldrin. Right side of the green. Go up and down for par. Potentially 5 points.
Ay, ang hina.
Baba mo. Makita ko lang yung break. Ako magtuturo, baliktad. Okay. Alvin.
Pare, 3
Four.
points yan.
Alvin, nandito lang kami. Okay, Alvin, ang layo for birdie. Pag nakuha mo yan, kahit plus 10 points. Oh, pero pag hindi, minus 20.
Pero alam ko sa iyo, mataas dito ako sa salda. Ano?
Oh, minus 20. Minus 20. Ang layo, ang hirap eh.
Ang hirap lang, pre. Para ka...
Very difficult birdie putt for 2 plus 1. 8 paces for me.
I-birthday mo! I-birthday mo!
Sayang,
Bulong.
1 point.
Yun, nakuha! Uy, sayang! Ayan o, laylay masyado. Diba? Although parang kulang din.
Parang kulang din yung ano ko.
Allowance.
Practice mo lang yan, pre.
Sabi ng good na eh. Ay, shoot din talaga. Sanay na sanay. Good done, brother. So, par bogey-bogey. Alright, so for Olympics, ako lang ang may point. So, 8-1-1. Tapos, I made par. Alvin and Alvin made bogey. Shout out ka naman, Alvin.
Hello!
Yun na. Yun na pala yun. Alright, hole number 12. 513. Parang ganun. Or more than 513 yards. Dog leg right. So the aim is
Hindi ko nakita.
between those bunkers.
Oo, hindi ko rin nakita eh.
Ayun, sa gitna.
Ayun, ang ganda.
Sa gilid ng bunker sa kaliwa.
Oo nga, no? Maganda nga.
Ganda.
Over mo, bunker. Hindi mo na kailangan. Over yun. No doubt.
O, diba? Yun ang good shot. Kasi kita ko.
Okay, fairway. Oo, tamo hindi. Kung tinuruan, kung magbigay pa ako ng suggestion sa'yo, baka maiwan mo na talaga ako.
Sobra ka
Ayun na, iwan na oh. Vin, tapat na tayo.
Ayun, no?
Tapat tayo. Wow, maliwa lang. Nako, sumipa pa pakaliwa. Layo pa to the flag. I'm still left with 270 yards to the flag. So, course management lang. Hitting 7 iron. Okay, what a monster drive by Mr. Ibasco. Malayo lang talaga yung par 5. 270 pa. So, okay lang, brother. Buhay yan? Mabuhay ka. Okay, third shot. 83 yards to the flag. Right to left winds. No green to work with. Tira mo 70. naman. Natakot ma-short. Okay, went over. This is to go up and down for par. Left to right 14. 14 yards. Alvin. To go up and down for par as well. Good out! Galing, Vin!
Talaga ako.
Ah,
Wow, laki. For potting Olympics, Aldwin is potting for... Ano kayo? Potting bogey?
6 ko na to. Ating 6 ko na to.
So bogey. Okay, potting bogey in 3 points. Alvin for par, no? And 1 point and 2 points for Sandy par. Ako for 2 points and bogey. Naku, pabaliktad. Tinamaan na naman yung bola.
June.
Kuha. Ay, ang lakas. Ang lakas.
Lakas na pre.
Uy, lumihis. That's good, brother. Naku, hina naman. Okay, so I made bogey. Alvin made bogey. Ay, sorry, double. Tapos Alvin made triple. Tapos ako lang mag points, 2 points. Alright,
Natin sila ng content.
hole number 13, playing on 363 yards. Maganda naman dito sa Kaliraya, puro with the wind. So right. So the pin is in this area. So that bunker is around, or that red stick is 260 yards.
Stick left.
Or stop mo na lang.
Diretso ka.
Okay lang. Oh, ayaw daw, si Gladys gusto kasama siya sa video. Oh, hi ka na, Gladys. Oh, shout out ka na rin. Uy, nahiya bigla. So my tee shot went right of the bunker sa middle. So may shadow na yan.
Kanan din.
Gana lang, hindi lang nag-bleed. Kick right. Ayan. Okay. Safe. Oh, yun na.
Ayan na.
Gitnang gitna.
Gitna ba? Kumita naman?
Oo.
Ayun, no?
Ayun, didikit pa sa ano.
Sa 150 marker.
Dikit mo. Very good.
Nice shot. Okay, Alvin. Second shot. More than 160 yards siguro. To the flag. Naka-open. Alvin, tumira na. Right of the bunker. Ay, right of the green. Okay, ako naman. Second shot. Or left to 108 yards. With the wind right to left. Aiming right. Hindi naman kumaliwa. Hindi kumaliwa kahit ko. Shout out sa aming host yan, sila Lawi. Tapos yan, sila Chris. Ang weekend golfers of Navy. Okay. Sana naman di na tumatsokoy. Left right ba yan? Ganun pa rin eh. 6 spaces. Potentially for 4 points. Ay, right to left nga.
Hala.
Ano na ba ako? 10. 10-1-1. That's good, Vin. Aldwin for par and for 2 points. Mahina, brother. Okay na yan. Okay, hole number 14, par 3. And it's playing 135 yards per against the wind. Short yata.
Opo.
Ay, behind. Toe na yun. Tsaka toe. Toey Kardashian.
Tira mo.
Kanan.
Kumanin.
Over the bunker yata.
Parang
Bunker. Okay. Aldwin and Alvin. Ako rin pala. Just off the green. Everyone is short. Olympian from Parañaque.
Uy!
Okay. Aldwin. For... Pamark na lang.
Ano?
Mark mo na lang for Olympics. Ganda. Hindi bumali.
Thank you, dahon. Oh, hina lang.
Good, good, good.
Pa kayong dalawa. Ano?
Good, good, good. Alright, hole number 15. Par 4. So, everyone made points na good, good, good na kaming tatlo. So, this is...
Ganda naman.
Ganda. Sobrang good investment. Oo. 351 yards. So, the play is go over that bunker.
Ay, pusa ka.
Bagsak.
Yun naman, sobrang lapit ko nun. Oo, yun. For sure. For sure.
Hindi, the behind.
Ay, nag-cut.
And this is the view of Caliraya Springs. Okay, Aldwin. Second shot.
Ako, kumalan. Nasa.
Nasa iyo ang beat, nasa iyo ang beat. Hindi niya alam, binibidyuhan siya. Okay, second shot. Slightly against the wind na, 130 yards. This will go a little left. Third shot needs to punch out. Good out, brother! Sa may cart sign.
Ganda.
Win! Amen!
Go.
Down! Sobra. Sana sobra. Ay, sana sobra. Sana hindi masyado gumulong palabas. Okay, Alvin. Inside 100 yards. Okay, Alvin and Alvin. Both took up and down for bogey, I think. Ganda, Aldwin! Good shot. Okay, Alvin. Bite! Bite! Olympian pa. Okay, Olympian. Ay, laki. Nanininig ko na. Baka birdie ulit. Baba. Ganda yan, Vin. 4 points, baby! Okay, Aldwin. For bogey, ano, Vin? Ay, Aldwin. For bogey and for 2 points. Lakas. Okay, hole number 16. Last 3 holes. Par 5. Lalayo ng mga par 5. Dapat yata white tee na lang tayo sa bukas eh. 516 yards. Dog leg right. So, dog leg right. So, aim lang syempre. Gitna na lang ng fairway.
Sabihin, tira ka sir, hindi niyo abutin yun. Yung pangit naman, di ba?
Ganda. Naku, inabot mo nga. Sorry.
Saan pumunta?
Gitna. Gitnang gitna, brother.
Thank you.
Wala ka na lang.
Ay, kabig. Hala ka.
Uy!
Diba, lakas?
Good shot, Alvin.
Sayang. Naunahan ko.
Safe ang aking tee shot. So, green is there. Pero sobrang layo pa. 300 yards pa. So, play safe lang dito.
Ganda.
Hopefully safe. Okay. Tingin ko. Third shot. Open down potentially for first birdie of the round. 115 yards against the wind.
Go.
May sobra na naman
Huwag kang liligo. Huwag kang liligo. Diba?
Dapat
Takot siyang maligo. Ang init eh.
dapat. Nag-overclub din talaga ako eh. Ay, nakatakot. Went over. Past the green. Ay, the hole. Okay, Mr. Basco. Yeah, that red stick is 100 yards. This front pin. So, he's left with roughly 120, 115 against the wind. Short. Okay, Aldwin. I think to go up and down for par. Silang dalawa ni Alvin. Good out, Vin! Okay, so Olympics, I'm putting for 3, potentially plus 1. Aldwin for 2. Alvin for 1.
Sige, go. Ang pangit.
Pangit dun.
Ang lakas ah.
Sakto lang. Oh, that's good, brother. Reach the safe par. Right to left. Alvin for 1 point.
Oh, nice par.
Okay. So stroke play. They both made bogey. I made par. Tapos sa Olympics, no movement. Hi ka naman, ate. Mag-shout out ka na.
Ay, katasabi.
Ayan. Okay, last 2 holes. Matatapos na rin kami. 17. Okay, hole number 17. Last 2 holes. 370 plus yards. So it's slightly uphill and dogleg right. So the aim is parang mostly ang aim mo naman where the sticks are. So yung aim for that 150 marker yung white.
Oh, ano ka?
Sapul nga, glow in the dark.
Dagpang sniper.
Ay, bunker? Bunker?
Oh, okay lang. Okay lang nga, bunker. Kasi tamaming orange.
Bunker. Bunker ako.
Ay, puka. Ay, puka.
Shells.
Puka shells. Layo oh. Ayun. Yun. Karpat. Ayun.
Bumalik.
Malibog sa karpat.
Stop drawing. Stop drawing. Okay lang. Perfect.
Okay lang. Safe na safe.
Galing. Okay. Unfortunately, na fairway bunker. Left with 140 yards. Uphill. Hitting 9 iron. Kahit dito na natin Gladys.
Uy, nice out. Ang lakas. Go. Go! Ay, gulong lang konti.
Parang over ulit.
Konti lang.
Pwede pa rin talaga pitching. Ay, okay lang pala. Right of the green.
Lagpas lang ng konti.
Oo. Alvin. Inside 150 yards. Sounded a little heavy. Kanan. Okay, Aldwin. Second shot. Good out. Okay, Aldwin. Around 50 yards for his third shot to go up and down for par. Sobra. Around 20 yards, 25 to go up and down for par as well. Oh, siya. Stop! Olympian from Manila. Okay, for birdie. Kaso sobrang layo, 20 paces. Mabilis. Mga -5. Lakas, brother. Olympics ulit. Okay. Tama na. Tama na.
Bali.
Pala.
Walang bali.
Wala, sobrang bilis pala.
Kasi mabilis.
Binawasan ko na nga eh. Sobrang bilis pala. Ngayon lang yan mabilis dito. Okay, grabe. Oh no. Naka B2B na naman. Pangatlong B2B. Okay, Aldwin for 2 points. Tapos si Alvin for 1. Mabilis din, la brother. Malakas din. Lakas ng tsamba. Galing pala, sorry.
Lakas mo kay Lord.
Lakas mo kay Lord. Nahihina pa rin yun. Parang binomba ko na. Wow.
Tama, binomba mo na, pre.
Last hole. Mahina.
Mahina yun.
That's good brother. Okay. For that hole, no one scored sa Olympics. Tapos sa stroke play, bogey kami dalawa ni Aldwin. 3-putt na naman ako. Si Alvin made triple. Last hole. Okay, hole number 18, last hole. So this is playing 297 yards. Ganda rin ang butas. So the green is in this area. You need to cross the water. So the play is yan dito. Alright, so the course management is yan, the red stick is 200 yards. Tapos it's 100 yards matitira sa'yo for your second shot. So yan yung course management. Okay, ate.
Di ba?
Oh, nice one.
Kung driver nyo, lagpas sa puno yan. Di ba? Okay.
Nagpunta ako sa gitna ng white and red.
Ay, sobra rin.
Kaliwa lang.
Pare, sigaw kasi na sigaw yung mga kinakasel.
Ganda. Shortcut. Kanan ng red. Layo. Wala na. Kakalimutan na ako na ito pagkatapos. Good shot, brother. Aldwin, second shot. Little over 100. 50 yards. To go up and down for his birdie. Open. Bunker. Come on, Luigi. Last chance for birdie. 93 yards. Slightly against the wind.
Ganda. Ganda. Aklang. Diba?
Last chance for birdie. Lakas ng hangin. Ayan. Okay, Alvin. Inside 100 yards. Grabe na tong kaibigan ko to mag-drive. Ang malakas na ng tee shot after getting fitted. Aldwin. To go up and down for par. Ay, lakas. Bite. Alvin. Potentially for 5 points. From the outside. Nabola rin. Pero maganda. Ow! Good shot, brother. So 3 ka?
3, 2, 1.
2 ako for birdie, 2-1. Alvin for par yan, Vin, no? Ah, Sandy par ka pala. So 3 plus 1 yan. Si Alvin ang 1. Tama, Vin? Oo. So 3 plus 1. Go! Mahina.
Hindi mo hini...
Happy lang. Thank you.
Kaya mo lang.
Ay, ate pala, sir. Halika na.
Nice spot. Ah, sa akin? Alvin for 1 point. Nice spot, brother. Good round, good round. Bawi tayo bukas.
Thank you, thank you.
So tapos ka
Bukas.
5.
Nice, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
5.
Ay, naka.
Si Aldwin natapos ng 2 points.
2 points lang
2
ako.
points sa uli. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I won stroke play and also
Bukas bawi namin.
ayan, babawi kasi back to back kami dito. Stay and play.
Dapat stroke play nanalo ka.
Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Again, Kaliraya, thank you very much for sponsoring this video. So see you at the fairways. Nice shot.